Welcome to the next module in our MOOC on Java for Android. With a firm understanding of Java classes under our belt, we are ready to explore its support for inheritance and polymorphism, as well as its support for interfaces, which are similar to classes. This module includes several lessons, so we'll first give you a brief roadmap of where we are headed before getting started with the rest of the lessons. When you begin Lesson 2, you will learn about inheritance in Java and how inheritance can help us to write code that is easily reused and refactored. In Lesson 3, we will see an inheritance at work, learning how to build constructors and other methods, taking full advantage of the class from which an object was derived. In Lesson 4, we will learn about polymorphism and how this principle of object-oriented programming affects method calls. In Lesson 5, we will see interfaces, a feature of Java that gives us more flexibility when designing classes. And finally, in Lessons 6 and 7, we will see several advanced features of classes in Java. So let's continue to build on the foundation of all the work you've done so far.